You're a job seeker or someone who's trying to climb up the corporate ladder or a business owner who's looking for growth, I have something that can help. The leadership program called Iron Lady by Rajesh Bhatt. The program has helped lakhs of people to grow in their professional journey. It's about having big, audacious goals. This was such a great opportunity for me because they have a huge community of CEOs, vice presidents, managers, and it was such an eye-opener and a game changer to interact and to learn from their journeys. And the reason for this one to be different is because it will force you to think about your goals in a bold and daring way. If you are someone with large-scale goal of great importance that is so bold, somewhat risky and high stakes, then this program is for you. If you are someone who's committed to growth while maintaining the work-life balance, then Iron Lady is for you. Enroll now. I'll be sharing the registration link in the bio.